10 ways investing in yourself and your money changes everything. 1. Financial security. Investing provides a financial safety net. For instance, having an emergency fund and investing in assets like bonds or a savings account can ensure you're prepared for unexpected medical bills or home repairs. 2. Wealth accumulation. Wise investments can grow your wealth. Consider investing in stocks or real estate, allowing your money to work for you, appreciating in value over time. 3. Skill development. Investing in education can improve your career prospects. Attending courses or workshops, like obtaining a certification in your field, can lead to promotions and salary increases. 4. Independence. Investments can reduce dependence on traditional employment. For example, building a diversified investment portfolio can create passive income, reducing your reliance on a 9-to-5 job. 5. Improved quality of life. Personal growth investments, like meditation or therapy, can lead to a better quality of life, enhancing mental and emotional well-being. Stronger relationships with loved ones can also result from investing time and effort into them. 6. Retirement planning. Smart financial investments, such as contributing to a 401k or an IRA, help you build a substantial retirement nest egg, ensuring a comfortable retirement without financial stress. 7. Entrepreneurship opportunities. Consider investing in your business ideas, like launching a startup. If successful, it can generate significant profits and personal satisfaction. 8. Diversification. Diversifying your investments across asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate can spread risk. For example, if the stock market experiences a downturn, investments in bonds may help offset losses. 9. Compound growth. Compounding can exponentially increase your wealth. Let's say you invest $1,000 with an annual return of 8%. After 10 years, it grows to $2,159, and after 20 years, it's $4,117 due to compound interest. 10. Legacy building. Estate planning and investing in assets like real estate can help create a financial legacy for your family. Ensuring your investments and assets are well structured can provide financial security for your heirs. Don't forget that. Be one first. Follow us to see the best.